Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Max 3 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have the tab on the battery. So let's enter. As you can see, on the third position we've got the option we're looking for, so it wasn't that hard. So basically all we have to do right now is to simply tap on this switcher, and actually immediately we've got the exact percentage of the usage of the battery next to the battery icon. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want to, just by tapping on the switcher again, but I will leave it like this because it's quite useful. So actually that's all. This is how to show battery percentage on the status bar in your CUBOT Max 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.